Every 3D project begins with an idea, a small image in your mind that slowly turns into something real. In this video, I'll take you through the full creation process in Blender, starting from blocking, then modeling, then finally adding materials to bring the scene to life. It's the same workflow I follow almost every project, no matter how complex it's become. The first stage is blocking, the foundation of everything. Here, the goal is not perfection but planning. I used basic shapes, cubes, sphere, and plans to build rough structure of my idea. Once I'm happy with the blockout, I move into the modeling stage. This is where the real identity of the object start taking shape. I replace those primitive blocks with clean, detailed geometry, adjusting edge loops, bevels, subdivisions to define form. It's process of patience and precision. I constantly check the model from multiple angles, making sure everything feels solid and consistent. After the main structure is done, I start adding details. These are the small touches that make a model believable, slightly surface damage. Next come material and texturing. This is my favorite part. This is where transition this is where scene transforms from gray geometry into something that feels alive. I assign basic material first, then fine tune roughness, metallic, and color values to give each structure its own personality. For instance, a metallic surface reflects light sharply, while rough or dusty texture is scattered it softly. Finally, I focus on lighting and rendering. This is what defines your model. It reveals the story, the depth, and the atmosphere of your scene. I test a few different lighting setups, sometimes warm and cinematic, other time cloudy and moody, until it feels right, just right. And that the full creation process from simple shapes to finished render. Every step teaches you something new, patience, structure, and the art of observation. Blender is not just a tool, it's a creative playground where imagination takes physical form. And with every project, the imagination becomes sharper, faster, and more confident.